Oh, way they go. Reporter rushing up. Atoy for us on the federal side is nice and easy. Atoy for us followed by reporter De Vega moving up by the route. Sea Patrol alongside is nice and easy. Fly Aday Fly La Cienega is the early trailer. Atoy for us by Hapalan followed by reporter. De Vega is racing third by Alancan up Sea Patrol Fly Aday Fly La Cienega and nice and easy. Entering the far turn, Atoy for us by ahead. Reporter on the outside. De Vega racing third alongside Sea Patrol. La Cienega also rushing up. And at the far turn, Atoy for us. Reporter, Sea Patrol, De Vega, and La Cienega as they race the final corner. Atoy for us by Lankenhap, Sea Patrol, De Vega reporter. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Atoy for us by about 4 lengths now. De Vega running inside La Cienega, Sea Patrol. Entering the finish line, number 5, Atoy. For a second, De Vega, Sea Patrol, La Cienega reporter. Nice and easy and fly other fly.